If you're in construction project management, you probably know how chaotic it can get to keep track of timelines, budgets, and teams. But what if I told you that Monday.com can make all that a whole lot easier? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Monday.com for construction project management, and we'll dive into exactly how it can streamline your workflows. Stick around till the end, because I'll also show you some alternatives that might work even better for your specific needs, and you won't want to miss the exclusive offer we've got for you. First things first, Monday.com is a popular project management tool, and while it's got some really great features, it's not always a perfect fit for construction projects. But we're going to make it work for you. The first thing you'll need to do when using Monday.com for construction project management is set up your workspace. You can create multiple boards for different projects. It's really important to break things down this way because construction projects tend to have many moving parts, multiple teams, contractors, and phases that need careful tracking. Monday.com lets you categorize these parts into distinct boards, making it easy to see at a glance where things stand. Next thing, time tracking. One of the standout features of Monday.com is its timeline view. You can visually map out the timeline of your entire construction project. For each task, you can set a start and end date, and even assign tasks to specific team members. With the timeline, you'll be able to see if any tasks are delayed and how those delays might affect the rest of the project. This is critical for staying on top of deadlines and ensuring that no phase gets overlooked. The third thing, budget management. Managing costs on construction projects is key to staying within budget. Monday.com allows you to add cost tracking columns where you can log expenses for each task. You can then use these to compare against your budget and track whether you're overspending. It's a simple but effective way to stay on top of financials and avoid nasty surprises. Now let's talk collaboration. Monday.com really excels here, especially if you have remote teams. For construction, you often have on-site workers and office-based teams that need constant communication. With Monday.com, you can leave comments, attach documents like blueprints, and tag specific people on tasks. This way, everyone stays on the same page. The fifth thing, reporting. For any construction manager, being able to quickly pull a report and analyze your project's progress is vital. Monday.com makes this easy with its dashboard features. You can create custom dashboards that show project status, expenses, team progress, and more, all in one place. This helps you stay ahead of any issues before they become major roadblocks. Next up, while Monday.com offers many solid features, there are a few limitations, especially for construction-specific needs. For instance, it doesn't offer robust capabilities for managing materials, equipment, or on-site issues that are typical in construction projects. If your project requires detailed logistics and material tracking, this might not be the best tool for those aspects. So now you might be wondering, is there a better alternative? Well, I've got some alternatives lined up that are better suited for construction project management, especially if you're looking for something with specialized features like resource and equipment tracking. At the end of the day, Monday.com is a powerful tool, but if you want more construction-specific features, there are other options to explore. I'll drop links to some of the best tools that come with a free trial, and through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive offer for the best free trial available. These alternatives may offer more robust solutions for the goal of construction project management and could work better for you. So, if you want to take your construction project management to the next level, check out the link below and grab your exclusive free trial. You'll also find those amazing alternatives that we talked about, tools that focus even more on what you need to get the job done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.